Next, we're gonna go with our chicken drumsticks. Now, I like using bone in because bone in tastes better in terms of giving you some flavor. If you wanna measure with a tablespoon, we're gonna go with 3 of these big boys. So there's 1. I got 12 chicken thighs in here. So 3 tablespoons of olive oil would be fine for you. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna put this on the side. Next, you wanna go with your salt. Now, either you wanna pour it in your hand if you're worried about your blood pressure, and there's someone calling my home right now, and you can just mix it around. Okay. Next, we're gonna go with our black pepper. We're gonna go with a little bit of turmeric. Now this is gonna be a different color than your traditional chicken that you're gonna be eating. We're gonna go with mayonnaise. Yes, you heard it, guys. Mayonnaise for your marination. Now again, if you wanna measure, you can go back and measure with your spoon. 1. I'd rather you put a little bit less, 2, because then you can always add more if you need it. 3, okay? Next, I'm gonna go with my Dijon bold and spicy mayonnaise. Okay, the clock is ticking. And after this video, you guys can all come over. I'm gonna shake that up so it mixes well. You guys can all come over for dinner. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put 2 of these teaspoons inside, and then all you gotta do is really mix it up. And there's your marination. I think I'm so far under 5 minutes. Okay, we'll put a little bit of the souvlaki spice seasoning as well. Okay, now literally I can just mix this all together, or if I wanna be lazy, I can just get my top for this. My lovely wife can get the top. No, we don't have it. I'm gonna mix it around, okay? You could also put this in a bag if you like, shake up the bag, leave it in your fridge, so that way the marination can hold on to all those juices and all those spices. So when you're cooking it, all the flavors are gonna come out really, really nice, okay? And always remember, when you're barbecuing your meats, you wanna add a little bit of extra salt, because the whole nature of barbecuing kind of dries out the meat. Okay. Voila, done. So rule of thumb, whenever you're barbecuing, always cook your chicken first, because chicken is gonna take longer for you to cook. And once you've wiped down your grill, use a lemon on it just to go over the grill to disinfect it. Keep them separate. And make sure your heat is on low. Chicken needs to be well done. It's not like other meats that can be taking their time. I barbecue all year long. Winter, summer, spring, fall. Because if you gotta have protein, you gotta have your protein. These are gonna taste amazing because we've given them that mix with the mayonnaise and some of that mustard. Okay, alrighty. So we're flipping our chicken. I can hear that salmon sizzling. So the way you barbecue and the way you flip, the secret of flipping is you take your piece of meat, and before you flip it over, you want to turn it rotationally. So for example, if this is my piece of meat that I have here, I'm going to turn it rotationally, and then I'm going to flip it over. The reason why I flip these guys right away is because I can tell the bottom part was cooking a little faster, but in order to not dry out the meat, you want to do rotational movements. That's how you get that crisscross on your steak.